Well, here we can see our profiling process, which is completed in 3 steps, and 2 tools are used, the JMeter and the Petstore. This whole process has been applied on Java Petstore application for our experiment, and 2 deployment scenarios were used for testing and comparing single VM deployment and deployment on 2 VMs. So Glassfish server and database were separated. So Petstore must be on the same physical host as the 2 VMs or the single VM of the application, while JMeter must be on a separate physical host so as not to alter the results. Here is JMeter. Here are the artificial workloads that were once recorded from the web browser, and now we have started to send the traffic to the application. We can see average response time and throughput, and at the same time we can use that. And now we can obtain statistical information about the execution from the point of view of the kernel that controls the VM processes. When this whole experiment ends, we will get these results in this format, but we will transform them in this format automatically. Here every row is for 1 second of execution, but at the bottom we've got average values, average results for every 10 minutes of execution. And we use these average values, we get these charts. They're all from the same workload. You can see 3 colors: blue for single VM deployment, red and green for 2 VMs deployment, red for server and green for database. And now we can see reads and writes per second, percentage of time with CPU and physical memory utilization, voluntary and non-voluntary context switches, non-swapped physical memory and virtual memory in kilobytes, and minor faults per second.